What if I told you that you're average? Does it feel good to hear that, or do you think that you deserve better? In today's society, we're told from a very young age that the point of living is actually to make a living, that working a corporate job is what we really want and what we really need to obtain what we want, and that we should work until our legs tell us that we should not do it anymore. I don't believe in that. You are missing out in life and nobody's talking about it. Opportunities, freedom, peace of mind, and much more. And we're here today to speak about that. You need to realize that everything you know isn't always everything you need. And then you'll be able to make changes in your lifestyle and what you actually believe in. Acknowledge the fact that you are stuck and that if you don't take any actions, that's how your life will look and will never change. If it's what you want, then you can leave this video because it's not for you. Otherwise, you'll be able to make changes. Ask yourself if you really need to go to college, get a degree by getting in debt, and then working in a job that you don't really want for the rest of your life. Is that something you also want? And I also don't believe in that. I started reading books about personal finance, money management, and passive income when I was 19 years old, and I wish I started earlier. And it actually blew my mind to see all those possibilities, all those ways to liberate ourselves from everybody else, and all those ways actually to be free. It's really that simple, but we need to let people know that they have a choice. You want to be average? Great. Continue what you're doing and you'll stay here for the rest of your life. You want to be better? Question what surrounds you. My first realization was investing because nobody told me about this and I knew nothing about it until I did my research about it. Nobody ever told me that you could invest a small amount of money each month in an index fund and by the time you're 50 years old, you have more money than 90% of the population. Until you take action, you won't see what surrounds you and you won't see what you can actually do. You can start young and set yourself for the future and nobody talks about it, except if you know where to look for it. On this channel I speak about personal finance, investment and passive income, and my goal here is to teach people about all those ways to liberate ourselves from what we know and that we should make the right choices to set ourselves for the future. If you are interested into those topics and you want to learn more about it, go and check out one of those 2 videos right here that will help you start your journey. Of course, if you enjoy this kind of content, you should absolutely subscribe to the channel so that you have more content to watch later. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.